Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Genevieve and welcome back to my channel again. Let's talk about yung skin type. Paano malalaman yung skin type mo? Tulad ko, hindi ko alam kasi akala ko noon oily skin type oily yung skin type ko. Pero pag ano lang, yung may mga part na dry ako or yung T-zone lang yung nag-well up sa akin. So, gusto ko ngayon malaman kung paano malalaman yung skin type ng isang tao. Okay? Combination ba siya? Or normal skin ba? Oily skin ba? O sensitive skin? Ayan. Stay tuned guys and let's begin. So guys, so may gagamitin tayong yung sa Wish Trend TV, yung sa Korean na yung channel. Feature natin sila ngayon kasi hindi ko talaga alam guys, wala akong idea kung paano malaman kung skin type o anong type ng skin natin. Ayan, so gagawin ko ito, yung how to know your skin type from test to skin, pero yung gagawin natin is yung lang how to know your skin type. Paano malaman yung skin type natin. Ayan. So, ipi-play ko siya. Okay. Ipi-play ko siya, guys.
Mama, dugay man ka ba?
Okay.
Dugay man ka?
So it's Casper and I'm back with another video.
It's Jasper.
Do you guys know your skin type? It's really important to know your skin type and today I'm going to be talking
Yes.
about all the
Talagang,
reasons why.
guys, yung dapat natin talagang alamin yung skin type natin.
You can avoid ingredients that can be really bad for your skin.
Ganun pala yun.
A certain ingredient that may be good for a certain skin type might be actually really bad for you. Just because after you wash your face, you feel like your face is dry.
So, kailangan talaga guys na malaman natin yung skin type natin kasi daw may mga ingredients na bawal sa oil skin, bawal sa normal na skin, yung sensitive skin or your combination. So, may mga ingredients na batayan natin.
Doesn't mean you have oily skin either. Also, you may know what your skin type is, but that doesn't determine your skin type for your lifetime. Your skin type can change throughout your life and during seasons and depending on your condition. But most people don't take their skin type into consideration and continue to do the same skincare routine every single night. That's why I'm going to tell you guys the perfect skincare routine for your skin type today. But before we do that, let's find out what your skin type is with 2 simple tests with the help of 4 Wish Trend staff that have skincare concerns. You need to know your skin type to follow through with the skincare tips I'm going to give you, so please do this step first. So there are 5 skin types.
5? 5?
Oily, combination, and sensitive. Today we're going to find out what your skin type is.
Oh, see? Guys, may 5 type na skin type pala. Akala ko is 4 lang. So, i-correct ko siya na 5 skin type pala yung batayan natin. Yung normal skin, yung dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, at yung sensitive skin. Okay, so, makinig tayo.
Before we continue on with the test, we have asked Wish Trend staff what their skin type is, what they think their skin type is, and their skincare concerns.
Hey guys, it's Hazel and I work for Wish Trend.
So, may 5 tao silang ng test kung ano yung skin type nila. So, makinig tayo guys. So, ito ay isang dry skin. Okay. Oily skin type din yung Spain.
BC에서 일하는 뷰티 화장을 잘 못하거든요. 저는 남성이 제 스킨.
Dry skin. Okay.
And I work here at Wish Trend. My skin type is sensitive.
Oh, may sensitive din guys.
So we're going to give you guys a checklist, and I'm going to go through this checklist and see how many checks you can.
Okay. So, ipa-flash ka dito yung nila, yung test ng my form kasi silang pina-fill up na check kung ano. So, ilalagay ko dyan.
Give you guys the answer straight away. If you have 1 to 4 checks, you have dry skin. If you guys have 5 to 8 checks, you guys have dark skin. And if you guys have 9 to 12 checks, you guys have oily skin. But if your result is dry skin, oily skin, you guys might have combination resistance. Please continue on this. Now, you don't know this checklist, but there's simple tests that can help you find out whether or not you're combination resistance.
Okay. Ito. Sabi niya guys, sabi ni Casper, magwa-wash tayo ng face na wala nilalagay na cleanser o sa ating face. Tapos 1 hour natin siyang i-observe kung anong mangyayari sa 1 hour. Doon din natin i-check yung, doon natin ilalag, yung checklist natin na ginawa ng form, doon natin kung ano yung result. Ayan guys, ang sabi ni Casper is, with the oil paper, yung blotting paper, which is kukunin ko mamaya. Let's check amount of oil alamin natin kung ano kadami yung oil sa face natin dito sa forehead, sa chin, sa cheeks, and sa nose. Okay, sa T-zone, na side. Ayan guys, mag-start tayo na i-wash natin yung face na walang nilalagay na cleanser, anong product sa face. So, samahan nyo ko. Let's do this. Wash our face, okay? Guys, nandito tayo sa CR. So, kailangan natin ng face towel. Yan, na malinis. Siguruhin nyo ng white para makita nyo na malinis. Okay? Tapos, tayo sa water. Makawash tayo ha. Hawakan ko na lang kayo para sinsya ko. Maliit rin siya. Ayan. Water yung gagamitin ko ha. Yan. Tapos na. Spinach and white brown. Tapos huwag mo i-rub guys na magpunas kayo ng face. Okay? Ano na yung skin nyo. Ganyan-ganyan lang. I-tap-tap lang. Yan. Yan. So, sa labas na naman tayo ng blotting paper ko ano yung skin type ko. Pero 1 hour. After 1 hour. Okay guys? Stay with me, okay? Bye-bye! Dito na ako sa labas, guys. So, gagamitin natin itong pang-hold ng buhok. Ayan. Tapos, maghintay tayo ng 1 oras, 1 hour, para malaman natin yung gagamitin natin itong blotting paper. Kung ano siya. Ayan. Ang gagamitin ko blotting paper is yung Silk Secret. Ayan. Oil control sheets. Powder blotting paper. Okay. So, may 60 sheets siya. Yan. So, sa Watson ko siya nabili. Mura lang to guys. Below 20 pesos. So, guys, hintay tayo ng 1 hour guys. See you. Maglalakad muna ako dito para madali nating malaman kung anong skin type ko. Thank you. Stay tuned. Guys, magbablat na tayo guys. Tingnan natin ito. Tries natin to guys ha. Okay, wow, nice pala yung blotting paper na yan, oh. Yan guys, yan. Kuha natin yan. Ilalagay ko kung ayan. Tingnan nyo yan guys. Ayan. So, yan guys. So, kitang-kita na sabi doon, pag dumikit siya, pag dumidikit siya tapos may nafi-fill off yung isa na laglag, may oily skin tapos dry skin dito na hindi siya masyadong nag-well up. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yan guys, oh. Yung dito ko, hindi siya nag-oil. Dito ko lang banda. Yan. Tapos dito sa noo ko talagang na-oil siya. Yan. Ayan. At sa nose ko. Yan guys. Dito, yan. Yan. Dami guys. Yan. Pero yung dito, ma-oil siya. Yan. Oh. Yan. So, yung skin type ko is oily skin na dry skin. So combination yung skin type ko. It's certified talaga na official na combination yung skin type mo. Okay guys? So thank you kasi nanonood kayo. Sana nabigyan ko kayo ng information doon. Hindi ko nagagawin yung dry skin at saka yung sensitive skin at saka yung normal skin kasi nakita nyo naman talaga well up yung T-zone ko, pero yung dito is yung dry area ko is yan. So I have a combination skin type. So see you guys, and thank you. God bless everyone. Don't forget to subscribe guys and like this video. Okay, like my okay, subscribe guys to my channel kung sino pa yung hindi na-subscribe, and pakiclick yung bell button na katabi ng subscribe para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako. And thank you, God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye!